Good morning. I am Ram Kumar from Coimbatore. In my view, a lot of people are trading in options, Bank Nifty option and Nifty options. Previously, the people, those who are trading in options were very less and they were taking positions in futures. Now, the trend has changed. So, they don't want to take a big risk by taking a futures and cash segment also. So they want to take a small risk with the taking a call option, buy or sell, Bank Nifty or Nifty. Now most of them don't know the time value, time decay and the premium, how it is valued, and they have a lot of confusions whether to buy at the money or out of the money or in the money. So first of all, they should know the trend, the market trend, whether it is an uptrend or downtrend. So suppose if the market is in uptrend, say for example Bank Nifty is in uptrend now, yesterday for example closing around 22,000. So if somebody is feeling that trend is up, so they want to know whether they want to do an intraday position in option or they want to hold for the expiry, weekly expiry level. So intraday means they should definitely know what will be the Bank Nifty move, either if it is uptrend or downtrend. So for example, if it is uptrend, they want to know the clear trend and range. For example, today Bank Nifty will move at least 200 to 300 points or 400 points by closing. So that means if they take at the money option, they will get a good benefit. Or if they go out of the money, the premiums are very less and the profit is also very less. So if they want to take out of the money also, if they feel that Bank Nifty range is around 400 points for the day, they should not go far out of the money. That is from at the money. So at the money is around 22,000. So they should not go for 22,600 or 800 or 700 or 23,000 call option. Because even the 400 points move in Nifty also do not give a big benefit for the far away out of money calls. Okay, so they want to know the range, at least it is going by 400 points or 300 points. In that way, if it is 400 points target, the maximum they can go out of the money means from at the money, for example, from 22,000 strike rate to, they may maximum take the position for 22,300 call option. So if this 400 points move will give a best benefit for them. If they go out of the money, the premiums are very less. And the market, even if the market moves by 300 to 400 points for the whole day, that call option will not give a big returns. Maybe if the spike is in the morning, they will be getting a good result. If the rate moves slowly, continuously in a very slow pattern manner for the whole day, then the premiums will be, reward will be very less. So they want to know whether they should go at the money or out of the money, nearby the range or far out of the money. So this is one simple thing most of them are not understanding. Everyone know the trend, but they don't know what will be the range for the day. So once we come to know the range for the day, for example, many of them are watching open interest data, VIX and implied volatility IV. So all those things are giving. So everything is giving actually with the yesterday's move or the past week history. They are giving some averages. Say pivots are also based on the previous day's activities. So but every day is a new day and every day have a very new set of people trading and taking positions. So most of them are not clear with their positioning. So in my view, we should know the range for the day. For example, we can't decide it in the morning. Let the market move for 1 hour or 2 hours. Then we want to decide the range and what is the low, what is the high, what can be the potential high in the coming time frame before the end of the day. So in that way, we can try to take some options and we can easily benefit by that. And if you feel that there will be 1,000 points move in the Bank Nifty, for example, then they can go for the far out of the money. So which will give more benefit for them. But in my view, at the money is best if they know the move. To to a certain extent for the premium side, they can go a little bit out of the money. Say for if the Nifty is trading, Bank Nifty is trading at 22,000, they can go for maximum 22,300 call option. So that's the maximum range they should try to take position. So whenever the premium is there, we'll get the reward also. For example, every day, if the 22,000 call option at the money call moves by 35% in a day, even 22,300 will be moving the same 35%. So suppose somebody is buying at 300 rupees, 35% is 100 rupees. So they will make 100 rupees profit, 100 points profit in at the money. For example, 22,400 call option is trading around 150 rupees. For 150 rupees, 35%, that is around 50 rupees or something, they will be benefiting. So the percentage of profit for the position size is almost the same nearby from at the money to nearby out of the money. And for if it is far out of the money, the ratio changes. Sometimes if the markets boost by 400 points also, at the money and other nearby out of the money will have a 30% benefit, whereas far outside the money, for example 23,000 call or 23,500 call, it won't fetch this 35%, it will fetch only 5 to 7% profit. So that will be trading around 40 rupees, so 5% profit is 5 rupees, I mean 2 rupees or 3 rupees, or sometimes it may be negative also. So that's the thing, whether it is on an expiry day or nearby expiry day or first day of the week start. So a lot of things have to be calculated. So people should know when to buy a call or a put and what will be the probable move range for the Bank Nifty. So that for that we should have a clear idea about the Bank Nifty stocks. So what is the weightage for which all stocks they are given. For example, HDFC Bank is having highest weightage. So that means any move in HDFC bank for 4% or 3%, that will directly give a 0.5% or even 0.8% move in Bank Nifty. That is 180 points move in Bank Nifty only because of HDFC Bank. So we should be thorough enough to know the trend of the weightage stocks, which almost 4 banks form a 60% weightage in Bank Nifty. So we should know the weightage of all those things and how it is going to give result, so that it will be very easy to handle the Bank Nifty call or put option. So most of them are just seeing the chart of a Bank Nifty and support and resistance and everything, but whereas they forget about the main weightage scripts in Bank Nifty. So if any bad news in HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, the Bank Nifty will fall. Any 3%, 4% down in HDFC and ICICI, Bank Nifty may fall by 300 points. If other banks are doing 6% plus, or then also Bank Nifty be in a negative range. So while taking the call option or put option, when we are going to pay the premium, we should be very thorough about the main stocks which have more weightage in the Bank Nifty. So for that we should know the range for the individual Nifty weighted, Bank Nifty weighted stocks like HDFC, ICICI, Kotak and all those things. So it is a combination of factors which will give clear and better targets for a Bank Nifty. So in my view, I request everyone to have a little bit of more, spend a little bit more time to know the individual scripts like HDFC Bank or ICICI or Kotak, which have more weightage in the Bank Nifty, so that that move can, what type of things it can give, I mean benefits for the Bank Nifty, either 100, 200 points upside or 100, 200 points downside. So they should know a little bit of knowledge about that. All the support and resistance in Bank Nifty is based upon the move with the other banks also. So now any support breaken, then we will be thinking about the next support, or any resistance we will think about the next resistance. But it is not like that. For every day, Bank Nifty is having a range of 350 to 400 points. So either it may come down by 200 points and from there it may go up 400 points totally. The range will be 400 points. So we should know what is the range for the day and how to utilize the range. And along with the range only, we can try to enter the options. Any buy indication in the chart or any, it won't give bigger targets actually, real targets. Okay, until unless if you don't know the range, then it is a little bit tough. So for that we have to analyze the range for the day and take positions in Bank Nifty. Thank you.